Come walk, my friend, with me to a place that we always dreamed. You will know how it feels to be right where you're supposed to be, when all I see is you holding me forever. All I see is you holding me forever. Day by day we'll journey on through the storm and through the calm. Day by day we'll find a way together. 'Cause all I see is you holding me forever. All I see is you holding me forever. All I see is you holding me forever.
Hello. Beautiful. Oh, Simon. Simon.
Whoa.
This voice, this girl.
Do you know what? My emotions tonight, Tyra. There is so much I could say to you, Mandy. There's so much I want to say, but your music actually in you says it all. I mean, all I'm going to say is you are and you will make a difference. That was stunning.
Heidi?
Well, I just love how raw and how real and how honest this just was. You know, there was no backing track, there was no production around it. It was just you, your beautiful voice, your ukulele, and it was very powerful.
It was beautiful. Beautiful.
Melby?
You know what, I don't think you realize the influence and the impact that you have on people. You make the impossible possible. You're like a miracle worker. And I have to say, you've literally taken me on an emotional journey just with how simple this song was, but how present you was, and just how beautiful you are when you sing. My gosh, your voice is just like an angel. And I'm not gonna cry. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll cry for you. Howie?
You know, I don't know the purpose of music. Music, the purpose is we're supposed to listen and we're supposed to, maybe our emotions are supposed to be touched. And maybe it's because of what your story is. You make us feel it because you feel it. You're feeling music much more than anybody else who's just singing. And how do you say in sign vote? I'm talking to you. How do you say vote? So I want to say to America.
Whoa. I was like, whoa, okay.
So important.
So, Mandy, your lyrics are, all I can see is you holding me forever. Everybody in America is thinking about that person. Who is that for you?
Well, it's funny because I wrote that for my cousin Mara to walk down the aisle to for her wedding. So in my head, it's my cousin and her husband. So, but I mean, it's so open to being everybody.
Yes. I think there's a lot of people watching you right now going, I want to hold her forever. She's gorgeous and her voice is beautiful. All right, keep voting, everybody. All the voting methods will stay open until 7 a.m. Eastern tomorrow morning. Now it's up to you. There's 7 acts that can get to these semifinals, so vote.